Good day, my name is Joy Collado, and the purpose of this video is to answer the questions, why do I want to work online and how do I see myself 3 years from now? For the first question, I made a short list of the reasons why I want to work online. First reason is time. I believe that if I work online, I can save a lot of my time because right now with my traditional work, I spend 12 hours a day for my work because 4 hours for my travel and 8 hours for my actual work. So that equals to 12 hours a day. But if I'll be working from home because I have an internet connection at home, I can work online for 8 hours full-time every day. That will save me 4 hours every day. This extra time I can spend for my passion and for my family, which are more important to me. I can also spend this extra time for my hobby or to discover more things about myself. Second reason is other expenses like transportation expenses. I won't be incurring any more of these expenses because I'm already working from home, and also I won't be required to pay for Christmas parties anymore because I'm working from home. And third reason, safety, because if ever I'll be asked to work extra time, I won't be worrying anymore about staying home, staying outside late because I'm already at home. Fourth reason is I want to become an online marketer. So if I'll be working online, I believe that I can research more on online marketing. Fifth reason, and this is the most important reason I have, is I want to make a change in my life. I have been working the traditional work for quite some time now, and working online is like getting out of my comfort zone. And getting out of my comfort zone means I'll be able to learn more new things, and these new things will bring me to greater heights. Which leads me to answer the next question, which is, how do I see myself 3 years from now? I see myself 3 years from now as a successful entrepreneur and a professional online marketer. By that time, I want to be able to inspire other people to follow their passion and make a change. Having said that, I'm looking forward to working with you. Have a nice day. Thank you.